Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most wearing, most demanding baby crochet romper designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts for your sweet babies. You can see. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy baby crochet romper designs, new ideas. Beautiful patterns, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy baby crochet romper design. Mind-blowing designs and ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. If you want to buy this very beautiful baby crochet romper design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Beautiful and trendy baby crochet romper designs you can see. Every design is beautiful, trendy and different one another. Stylish colors, light and dark colors you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.